my channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and I am here with another art video, and this art video is going to be really crazy because last night when I was reading my newspaper I was really hungry, and both the things, my newspaper and my hunger, came together and formed an idea, and this idea is to paint on newspaper some realistic fruits. So today I'm going to paint some realistic fruits on my newspaper. So without waiting much, let's start this video. So this is my old newspaper, Indian Express from 2021. This is too old newspaper, and I am going to take few shades on my palette. And before taking shades, let me tell you, I am having so many fruits in my mind and I want to paint all those fruits. But starting with this one, the colors that I need for this fruit are white, vermilion, crimson red, green, magenta, violet, yellow, burnt sienna and black, and I am taking all these in my palette. So my palette is now full with the shades. I am going to start the painting. So let me tell you that the fruit that I am painting today is a dragon fruit. I am going to start the painting with rough sketch that I am drawing using brush only. Don't you think it looks like a fish? Oh, what an idea! I would love to paint realistic fish on newspaper too. I will think on this idea and I will definitely paint it. So the first thing that I am painting here are the shadows of this dragon fruit. I am realizing that I can't use too much water in this painting because it will cause me some issues later because paper is really thin. But as always, painting is really relaxing for me, guys. No matter what the media is, it's really fun. Now I am going to start coloring the dragon fruit with this green paint. I am using very less water in painting, and I am realizing that I need to paint 2 or 3 layers to make my painting look more realistic. So my friend, if you are my regular viewer, you must have mastered our strategy to paint from darker to lighter layers. I am doing this here in this fruit also. I am starting with the darker shades and then I am moving towards the lighter layers to add on details. So guys, as you can see, the first layer is really translucent. The text is really looking at me through this window. I don't want it. I really want to hide this text. So let me add some white shade to make the layer a little bit opaque, and then I'll add the later on layers on it. You know what is my goal today? It is to turn my brushes into magic brushes and to turn this painting into a magic and turn this fruit into a real fruit so that you can eat it. Yes, so it's not the same, but really I really want to paint realistic dragon fruit here with shadows that will create illusion of the real fruit. Now I am going to add more details using 3 shades in this dragon fruit, which are red, magenta and crimson, and also I am going to add a little bit of white to add some kind of opaqueness in these layers. And guys, I don't know the name of these green portions. If you know, please let me know. I am going to add details in these wings kind of things using yellow and white paint. You know, after painting the base shades, the only thing that is left in painting is to add more and more details, and I keep on adding details until I feel like I have done it or I have made it. So I am adding details using same shades again and again until I reach the good result. For adding shadows, I am using black shade. For adding some kind of light tones, I am adding white. So I am adding details again and again, and I am smudging everything well because this is the key here. I need to paint realistic fruit, so I need to smudge all the colors well. I am going to add final details to remove all the flaws that are left in my painting now. And let me sign this painting after adding the details, and after letting this painting dry for about 10 minutes, I am going to apply clear acrylic paint on it as varnish to finish this piece. And this fruit is really looking juicy. I am really loving this fruit and I really want to eat it. What about you? Hey, I know you like this video. I know you like, don't lie. Press the like button and also don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And if you want to watch more art videos from my side, you have to subscribe this channel, for which you need to press the subscribe button and also you need to press the bell icon to get notifications for all my new videos first. I will meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. You are really amazing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.